Emequan Federal Hunting Area down by Havana. Looks pretty good. We got some water. Got some speckled bellies coming from behind me. Z-Man reporting. Looks like Nebraska, but we're in Illinois. But for Nebraska, this white area would be covered with birds. You can hear them or not. Specks going over. Hi. But this is it. It's about 32 degrees this morning. A little bit of ice. Out there in the Fish and Wildlife Service, so nice to mow this for us. And yeah, it looks pretty good, except you just got to add some birds, you know. There's across that away is Route 97 and 4,000 acres of Emequan Nature Conservancy water. So birds have a lot of places to go. River's way up. Spoon River's flooded into this. So what it does is it's a beautiful day. Got a lot of, it's just a nice day to get out. I'm glad I did. You gotta be thankful to God for this. Over and out.